Hi students, in order to access playlists, you'll come here to where it says My Playlists, and there's a drop-down menu. In order to access the playlist you're going to be doing this week, you want this right here to say Getting Started for the Getting Started playlist. If it doesn't, click the drop-down and find it. And then you'll scroll through using this arrow over here, and you'll come to Rock the Digital Portfolio, and you just click on this tile and it will open up the lesson for you. There's 2 sections to the lesson, 2 exercises. If you finish this, you can come back to the home page, and there's also a What Can I Do in Thrively playlist that you can access in the Getting Started playlist, and then there's a few others that you can go through as well if you finish those 2. There's a total of 6 lessons within the Getting Started playlist.